Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Campbell, and I'm sorry I can't be with you today, but I want to explain to you the final part of our shoe project. So, these are shoe projects that have already been done, as you can see from other classes. What I want to talk about is important things about the shoe project you have to keep in mind. You cannot tape your string in for your ties, they have to go through the holes, so taping is not going to work. Okay, no Velcro, obviously. When you put the shoelaces in, the string, which I have a box of string there by the sink that you can choose from, you have to measure your string and then you're going to have to punch holes in this. You can punch the holes in before you paint if you want. You need to use a pencil to make the holes like these are. Okay, so use a pencil to do it. All right. Then I would let your shoe completely dry and maybe add the strings on Tuesday when we are back in class. Once you are done with the shoe, and only after everyone is done with the shoe and you've put it to the side, then you're going to get out a computer. So no one in the class should have a computer out until your shoe project is in the black box and sitting over to the side. Then you need to get out your computer as a team. So no one's working on the next part by themselves. Everybody has to do this as a team. So you put your shoe to the side, then you're going to go to Schoology. In Schoology, you will see a couple of things. You will see example of good shoe PowerPoint and shoe PowerPoint template. When you click on this, it should prompt you to make a copy. If it does not, please make a copy of it so we're not all writing on the same thing. When you open this up, what I've done is I've combined two former shoe projects into one. So this was another group's shoe project. This shows how they came up with the idea, all the information, and there are no videos in here. It is only pictures of what they did. It includes all this information, including the cost. All right. I added a second PowerPoint from someone else. Again, you can see their design, how they designed the PowerPoint, pictures, cost, etc. Okay. They're all using the same format because what you'll see on Schoology then is the shoe PowerPoint template. Again, when you click on it, it should ask you to make a copy. If it does not, please do so. Then it should open up like this. This is the blank template. You're going to have a shoe project. You want to do something fancy with that. And then it will ask you about inspiration. If you're not sure, go back and look at the examples that I gave you. It will ask you about shoe type, name, and slogan. Again, if you're not sure, look at the examples I gave you. It will ask you about function and requirements. It will ask you about costs, and then the creators who made it. After you are all done, you have to agree on the background. You have to agree what your theme is. So if you had a rocket theme or a space theme or something like that, your PowerPoint should reflect that. So you need to make sure that your background and everything is good. You also have to make sure it's neat. Your pictures are inserted like the other teams have already done. And you have to make sure it's all spelled correctly and there are no grammar issues. Once that's all done, probably by Tuesday, I'm going to guess we'll be trying to finish that up. Then you're going to attach it, which I have not put it into the classroom yet, but I'm going to provide a link where you can attach it to be graded. Okay. And it'll probably be graded as a PDF. That's usually what happens. But again, no one starts the PowerPoint until the shoe is done because it won't be fair to other people if somebody is working away on their PowerPoint because you have a team of three and then somebody is finishing up the shoe. The shoe has to be done in the box. The teacher has to see that it's set aside and in a box before anyone opens their computer and works on it. I hope that's clear. Hope you have a good weekend. Take care.